People born under the sacred Odu, Okanran Meji, the 8 among the 16 principal Odu, carry unique destinies and spiritual qualities. In Yoruba Ifá wisdom, Òkanran Méjì reveals personality traits, blessings, challenges, and taboos that shape the journey of those born through this Odu during Ìkọ́ṣẹ́yẹ or Ifá initiation. In this video, we explore key facts about Òkanran Méjì children that show the deep significance of this Odu. Naturally likable and loved. Children of Òkanran Méjì are naturally adored. Their charm and warm personality make them well-loved by everyone around them. Their fame and success often extend beyond their hometowns. They are more likely to achieve greatness outside their place of birth, because they succeed more outside their birthplace. Òkanran Méjì children often show stronger loyalty to the communities where they thrive. They settle easily in new environments, making friends quickly and receiving honor, respect, and recognition wherever they live. Leadership qualities through Ṣàngó. Their close link to Ṣàngó gives them natural leadership qualities, courage, and the ability to influence others positively. Though tolerant, they're easily swayed by praise and sweet words. This can sometimes make them stubborn or emotionally unstable. They can be unpredictable, calm one moment and fiery the next, a reflection of their deep emotional intensity. Blessed in trade and business. Òkanran Méjì children are excellent traders, travelers, and business people. They succeed in trading, farming, fishing, manufacturing, and even in running warehouses and supermarkets. They are also naturally gifted in medicine, pharmacy, nursing, midwifery, and spiritual professions such as Ifá priesthood, herbalism, and clairvoyance. Good husbands and wives. Òkanran Méjì men make affectionate and respectful husbands, while the women are hardworking, homely, and respectful wives who care deeply for their families. They carry the strong possibility of giving birth to twins, who themselves will be popular and influential. Victory over adversaries. They're destined to overcome enemies and conspiracies. Those who try to take advantage of them often regret their actions. They may face betrayal or disappointment from close friends or confidants. They are advised to be cautious before trusting others fully. Sacred taboos to avoid. Òkanran Méjì children may avoid eating sheep, cock, and even handling cockroaches or spiders. Breaking these taboos may lead to loss of divine support or disgrace. Respect for elders brings blessings. Their true success lies in humility, respect, and good character. By avoiding evil thoughts, arrogance, or disrespect, they secure happiness, longevity, and lasting achievement. Being born under Òkanran Méjì is a powerful spiritual identity. These individuals are blessed with love, popularity, leadership, and prosperity, but they must remain cautious of betrayal, pride, and taboos. By following the guidance of Ifá and respecting their taboos, Òkanran Méjì children can live a life of balance, success, and divine protection. If you found this video insightful, like, share, and subscribe for more teachings on Ifá, Yoruba spirituality, and the wisdom of the Odu. For more on Òkanran Méjì or any other Odu, kindly send a WhatsApp message to the scrolling number on your screen or send an email to the scrolling address.